Hey, morning, gang. Happy 9:29 in the morning. It is May 5th. It is bright and early. It's a beautiful day. It's 9:30 in the morning now. Man, did we get a ripper to start off. This market has been absolutely bananas lately. Wish I almost wanted to short right it open. I'm pretty glad we didn't do that. We got our puppy right here. We got a big old puppy right here. Hi. Hardly even pick him up on camera. So we really don't have a bottom wick on this 1 hour candle, bringing us down to 27,973, or this 5-minute candle either at 925, bringing us down to the 974s. So, man, it's hard to friggin' short this thing as we short that thing. Well, there's the wick. Just got a real quick candle on that, but that put the wick on everything. That was the wick that I needed. So now we do have the, potential to just keep pushing up. Yeah, you're right. Alright, let's see. All-time high trading. I literally hate it. I've said it so many times, but I literally hate it. It just gets so hard. We have so many targets to the downside right now. Obviously, we have 0 targets to the upside, minus the fact that we finally broke 28,000, which everybody was waiting for. Getting a lot of resistance up here at 28,000. Man, if we break yesterday's high, 966, then it probably got to come back down to like the 928s and retest that range we've kind of been stuck in. How many people buy at all-time highs? Like, who's buying at 28,000? Who's thinking like, yeah, 28,000 is good? Let's see, what even is today? Today is Tuesday. Wait, that's the wrong date. Tuesday. So we do have job openings, new home sales at 10 o'clock. We have PMI at 9:45. So we do have some little market blips coming up. All the way up here, the 28,000s, 23s again. Which we just have nothing to look left. There's absolutely nothing that we can look left for. Yeah. Damn, I don't know. It's just so hard, right? It's so hard to do. What are you guys thinking? 28,022s, still just friggin' pushing, still just friggin' pumping. Yeah, Still just pumping. Let's see. NVIDIA, our beautiful little market mover. NVIDIA does have a gap to the downside. NVIDIA is not honestly looking great. Q's gapped up huge, so they have a huge gap to the downside now. VIX is curling up just a little. ES is pushing nicely. Ooh, NVIDIA's really falling now. I mean, NVIDIA's really falling. Yeah, this is purely just based on NVIDIA. Which isn't the smartest thing, because we're so early, 9:35. Let's see if we can't get a reaction down to the 21s, though. We're going to have to be really quick with stops today, I think. Really quick, because even this, you know, this goes against you. It goes against you quick. Come on, NVIDIA. NVIDIA hasn't filled his gap yet. Just looking a little weak. Yeah, that's the problem with all-time high trading. You know, you don't really have even the pivot points above us either to be like, okay, here's a stopping point. 73s. Well, maybe we do have a pivot point up here at the 73s. It's just you can't just blindly short, though. That's the problem. That's what we're doing right now, kind of. It was purely based on NVIDIA, and NVIDIA just turned around hard. NVIDIA just turned around hard to go back up north.
Together, we no learn either way we better.
Yeah.
New York open every day.
Pull up. Here's a brand new candle right here. Let's see. If she keeps pushing up, we got to get out. Yeah. Can't short it yet. Can't short it yet. Nice little pullback here. See if she wants to keep going. Hopefully it doesn't just bounce off the 9. Uh-oh. Yeah, let's see. $9.39. We only got 15 seconds left of this candle. Let's see. NVIDIA is still kind of looking a little weak, but it just hasn't made that, you know. All right, brand new 5-minute candle. Let's see what this one does. I still want to short this thing, which is dumb. You can't just short this market right now. It's a little too strong, but it's definitely running out of steam just a little bit. Yes, it's starting to form a little bit of a bull flag. I mean, I don't know if Nvidia can get some strength behind it, maybe, you know? Maybe 28,100? I do have a 1 hour pivot point that's up here at 28,072s, which is right there. Man, again, I'd hate to friggin' just buy this thing again.
Order filled, order filled, order filled.
Yeah, man. Big respect to Bob Barker, legend of the stage. Now we step up to the charts. Same kind of game.
Order filled.
Step right up.
That was just a quick wick I was trying to chase there.
Greg on the mic said, come on down, 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 down. Early morning, screen light glow. Future sticking with your way to go. Contestant standing by the line, trying to reprise like a dollar sign. He said, higher, but he start to slip. Greg just smile with a short side grip. Spinning that wheel, let the number fall. Sometimes down is the best call. Everybody cheer when it hit up high, but they don't see truth on the other side. If you understand how the game go round, you can still win when it's heading down. Come on down, yeah, the price drop low. That's the kind of move that the pros all know.
Form another little bull flag here. Man, this market just does not want to quit. I mean, that'd be a perfect place for us to start falling, but I guess what would be the reason for us to start falling? Oh wow, yeah, Google's up to 383. Apple's up. Tesla's up. So we do have that PMI news in 30 seconds, or it was manufacturing or something, right? Yeah, services PMI. 15 seconds, and then we have new home sales, ISM servicing, Michelle Bauman speech. Here's a news candle. Crazy. Man, look at that. 28,000, almost 100s now. This market just has zero. Damn.
Order filled.
We're just going to see if we get a quick little push down. I mean, obviously, again, these aren't the safest trades in the world. So you get the stops in quick.
Stop fill. Stop fill. Stop.
Ah. Just seeing if we get a rejection of the 28,100s. Nvidia's at the 200s. So again, it's just round numbers here. Kind of round numbers for a rejection.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, baby.
Order filled. Stop fill.
Well, we're up 10 points on it, gang. Well, technically we're up 20 points, but we have a guarantee up 10. Ah. Fuck me, man. Where the hell is everybody, by the way? Man. So I played hooky on Friday. Ugh. It was my kiddos' homeschool field trip to Legoland. So we decided to play hooky on Friday to Legoland. YouTube did not like it. YouTube has banned me. It's supposed to be 15 to 20 people in here right now. We got 2. The hell's going on with his algorithm? Man, another new high. Another new high. Jesus. Crazy, man. Long and strong, huh? We haven't broken the 21 yet. We haven't even touched the 21 since 9:32. We basically market opened up and we just left the atmosphere here. Yeah. Man, I mean, if we weren't at all-time high trading, you know, obviously we're well above VWAP, we're well above the EMAs. Everything's looking perfect for it to just keep going north. It just seems kind of impossible that it's going to keep going north. I guess we got to see. Next time it kind of drops down below V. Next time it kind of touches the 9, maybe we'll try our long with it instead. Let's see. And then basically stop would be if it goes below the 21, then you're stopped out. Cool. Man, I just got insurance quotes for my woodworking company, and now my phone is blowing up. Blowing up with insurance salespeople. Alright, so let's see. Let's see. Does this market want to just keep stinking going up for no stinking reason? Let's see if we get a retest of like the 2880s. Maybe we'll just friggin' try it long. Ah, friggin' hell. I hate it when my light dies. That hasn't happened in a little bit. Oh, we do have news at 10 o'clock too, don't forget. So we do have news in, 6 minutes here. See if it comes down to the 70s. Maybe we'll try that little long. Oh my god, dude, this guy won't leave me alone. Hey, Jose! Jose, I have been here for 20 minutes, sir. And this has been the loneliest 20 minutes of my stinking life. Do you notice how you are the very first and only person in this chat room today? Got me feeling all sorts of depressed. I lost all my people. I lost all my regulars. They're all gone now. Alright, let's see. This is the very first time that we're actually coming down to tap the 21. So this is going to be the first sign of us getting some weakness. Or, like we've been doing all stinking day today, is this the perfect time for us to start going long? Let's see. If it breaks down to the 50, we'll get out. But it's been long all morning. It's been teasing us all morning. What are the chances? What are the chances that we keep going up? sun on the water. Yeah, first time we hit the 21. Let's see. If she turns green, we're okay. If it keeps crushing red, ooh. Plus, we do have news coming in 4 minutes, so we don't want to... Looks like we might need a retracement. Yeah, I agree with you, bud. Which is literally what I was saying a second ago, too. I was like, maybe it's finally time for the shorts. But let's see if we can't just get a little pop here. We are forming a little bit of a bear flag. Plus, we got to get out before the news. So we got to get out sooner than later. And we're forming a bear flag here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Damn, that would have been a perfect long for all of us, actually. We would have gotten kind of a nice little pop, it seems like. Let's see. I mean, we still have news. So you got to be careful with news, but...
Stop filled.
Yeah, I agree with you, bud. I think it needs a retracement. But again, we have that news. It's small news, but we have news in 2 minutes here, 2.5 minutes. So it'd probably behoove us to be a little patient. Nvidia is starting to finally look weak. They did lose the 200s. They're down to 199.45. So if they keep losing... Alright, minute and a half. Sorry, gang. Hey, Miguel, thank you for helping us out, sir. Thank you for helping us out. That's what we need. Listen, man, create 30 accounts. Create 30 accounts real quick. Log them all in. Ugh, we got to get this thing back. We got to get the momentum back. We lost the momentum. Ugh. That's all right, though. We show up every day anyways. Man, Nvidia is just falling off this stinking cliff here. We do only have a minute left before our news. I think we got to wait till the news, but my God, Nvidia is crushing hard. How do we not sell off when Nvidia is crushing that hard? If we didn't have news, I would just say we got to go short right now. Shit. Nvidia's almost filled this entire gap. I can't believe that we're still pushing up here. Man, it's so dumb. You should never do this, obviously. Don't do this and don't follow it. But we're going to take a little news gamble. Just because Nvidia is so stinking weak right now, we're going to take a little news gamble. We got 5 seconds left to see if we're an idiot. Oh, look at that. Dancing, 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 dancing so stinking hard. Hey, Isaiah. Fresh eval finally back. Made 1,200. Done for the day. Damn, man. 1,200. That's a heck of a day, bud. How was that trade? We got Nvidia selling off here, so we're finally selling off a little bit. We got our news candle though, so she's being awfully wicky. I hope I don't get stopped out. I'm hoping we just get a nice little sledge off the cliff and she just keeps going. Nvidia still falling. Made it in the first 5 minutes. NQ, not MQ. Nice, dude. Did you poop your pants a little bit? Damn. Crazy wick down just for us to push back up.
Stop fill.
No. Let's see. Was that the wick to kind of trick out the bears for the bulls to start regaining and popping back up? Nvidia has a decent point to push up now. It all happened before I knew what happened. Didn't mean to trade NQ, but hey, it works. Dude, I've had that happen to me a couple different times too. Or sometimes too, I'll just hover. I'll be hovering above a buy or sell, and like, you know, your heartbeat will jump or something like that, and it just kind of like triggers your finger to click it, you know. So there's been times that I'll just be oversized or NQ versus MNQ, and I'm like, holy shit, man, whoops. But when it works out, man, then those are very exciting days. Yeah, look at that. What a reversal. 40-point reversal. Little Uno reverse. Nvidia is still pushing up really good. I almost want to just trade on NQ, make 10 points, and call it a day. Yeah, man. I mean, you got to try. You got to try all styles. I tried that style for a little bit too, where I only traded NQ over trading MNQ. And this is like 5 months ago too, so I honestly got to give it a try again myself, because it was when I was a lot more squirrely, you know. So I found with NQ is, man, I would take it so fast. Like, I'd see 30, 40, 50 bucks profit, and I'd just be like, boom, take it off, you know. But then when I was negative, it was so hard for me to take it off. It was really easy for me to go like negative 3, 4, 5, and I would just hold on to it thinking like, oh, maybe it comes back. So I had too many negative $4, $5, or $600 trades, and then too many positive $30 trades. But again, that was when I was a lot squirrelier back then. I think I've calmed down and found a much better rhythm now. Man, still pushing. She's still friggin' pushing. Try it right now. Just throwing a bunch of... Dude, I honestly, I absolutely hate all-time high trading, though. So, today's not the day for that. If we had a lot of nice levels and stuff like that, I'd be a little bit more excited to try it. Because even now, we've been going up all stinking morning, and I just want to short. I'm just so short biased right now, and I shouldn't be. Especially now that Nvidia filled its gap. If it keeps pushing up, then the market as a whole is going to keep pushing up. Isaiah, just don't be shorting it. You don't short at all-time highs. Yeah, everyone I know losing money, like, chill and long. Just chill and go long. It's all-time highs. Yeah, man, and there's something to that, too, you know. I mean, it's what I was kind of talking about maybe 10 minutes ago. You know, it comes back to the 21, or the first time it hits the 21. Trying that long. EMAs are still curling up really nice too, and Nvidia is still pushing. The nice thing is Nvidia's at 198 right now. Their high was 212 the other day, so they still have a lot of way for it to push up a little bit. Let's see what this new 5-minute candle brings us. I like that it's pushing down right away. Top side of orb is 84, so if we can get another little 84 test, maybe that's a good place to go long with you, Mr. Isaiah. Nvidia's performing a little bit of a bear flag. VIX is pushing up just a little. Damn, yeah, it's still pushing nice. Range time, says Miguel. Yes, sir. I know, 10:07. We might be ping-ponging between the 70s and the 100s, which would suck. Hopefully we don't do that yet. Yeah, I really want it to come back down to the 70s. Let's see a 70s push. Oh. I mean, we're looking great on the 5-minute. Nvidia's looking shitty on the 5-minute, but yeah, man. Sink or swim. Yep, you're right, guys. Just ranging. I mean, Nvidia again. Nvidia, crazy bear flag here. And then look at Q's has a giant gap too. Gaps do get filled 50% of the time the same exact day, but VIX is crushing down pretty good. So I don't know, man. It's kind of hard to tell. If VIX can, or I mean, if Nvidia breaks the 198.87s, it kind of invalidates this bear flag just a little, then maybe it can push back up to the 199s, or even if it continues out the bear flag up to the 199s, that'll give us a push up maybe to the 150s. Man, I gotta fix that so that I can. How do I do that? I need to fix my music so that whenever I click on different screens like this, it doesn't chop it. Okay, pick one scene, like audio. Then click the source, copy. Oh, you gotta paste it and everything? Yep, we'll deal with that later. Man, that is a complicated process. Which it always is, of course. All right, well, it's a good thing we got out of the short. We are starting to crush down. Look at NVIDIA. Oh, man, yeah, look at NVIDIA. Crushing down to the bottom side of its range. ES is starting to look a little bit weaker. Qs are starting to look a little bit weaker. We really wanted to break the 70s, though, I think, for the shorts to really be in play. Short the Nasdaq. Miguel's saying it's time to go short. Time to go short. It might be, sir. But I'm just kind of like, I just want kind of a trap to happen because we do have a larger range from 70s up here to the 110s, you know, so it is about a 40-point range here. So you don't want to go heavy long or heavy short and then have 40 points go against you. Right now we're smack dab right in the middle of it. We've been going up all day. So it is kind of hard to punch it short. But my bias has been short all day too, which is funny. We are breaking kind of that line. NVIDIA pushing back up a little. VIX is starting to push up though. Here's the 28,100s again. Oh yeah, she's crushing down.
Order filled.
Oh jeez, man. Terrible, terrible, terrible friggin' grab, man. As soon as it broke these lines here, I clicked sell. My trade vague glitched, and then it snagged it down here. Which we'll see. Are we going to keep pushing? Otherwise, this wick might be a wick to go long. NVIDIA's crushing. Nah, this is a sell-off.
Order filled.
This is definitely going to be... Well, unless we're fucked, but... With NVIDIA selling off like that, I think we're going to be crushing. Let's see. Come on, NVIDIA. Keep going. Don't get nervous now. Come on, NVIDIA. Oh, yeah. NVIDIA just sold off hard.
Order filled.
Come on. Oh, I'm not even on Tradevate right now. Sorry, gang.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Damn, not really doing these stops correctly right now. Hold on, we got the wrong friggin' song playing right now, too. This should be the Bob Barker song. Fuck me. Too much stuff going on. There it is. Bob Barker. Come on down, baby. Shit. No, 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 no. Damn it. I wasn't using those. Ugh. I was getting too distracted. I didn't do my stops correctly. That's frustrating. Come on down. Fuck. We're up 288 on the day, though, now, gang. 288 on the day. We waited for our perfect trade, and then we got it. That's not bad. Not bad. Not a bad trade. Now let's just see if Nvidia wants to come back up to the bottom of its range. Come on down.
Order filled.
Whoa! What the heck? Who caught that little guy? Who caught that little spiker? Good God, man. Man, this is a volatile stinking market right now. You got to be careful. You got to be careful. Spin the wheel, do the Bob Barker. Jetty. Nvidia pushing back up. We'll see. I kind of want to get into a stinking short again.
Started with the vision and the chart on the screen. Nasdaq moving, yet the candles stay clean. Hit record, now I'm talking my place. Trying to show the world better ways through the maze. No more guessing, no more chasing the hype. Teach risk management, teach them trade it right. From the losses to the wins, yeah, show it all. If you stumble one time, get back up, don't fall. Every morning when the bell gonna ring, we go live, let the knowledge we bring. Real time moves, no edit, no trim. You either
Sell now, says Jose. Dude, we caught it. We already caught it, man. We just caught it. We just caught the last sell. We went actually 10 deep really quick. But yeah, I do agree. I was just hoping it was going to come up a little bit higher. I was hoping it was going to come up and tap the 80s, and then I was going to go short. But I'm also looking at Nvidia. Look at how Nvidia just pushed through its Nvidia just pushed through the bottom of its range. So we got to make sure. Like, this is what I've been focusing on Nvidia all day today, guys. Right now, Nvidia is pushing up hard. Look at this. So if Nvidia wants to come all the way up and retest this shoulder, we're going to push up. We're going to come back up to the 28,000. God damn it, dude. Hold on one sec. Jetty. No bar. What is going on? No bar. Leave it alone. So Nvidia basically has got to change its mind. If Nvidia can change its mind, or right here, you know, there you go. We got the 80 tap. I still don't like how Nvidia is pushing, but we got the 80 tap. So let's try it. Though, look at that. Shoot, man. That's why I was holding off on it for a sec. We got the 80 tap and we just friggin' exploded. Because look at that. Nvidia's still pushing up. Damn.
rise with the sun. Sink or swim, we teaching everyone. New York open. Every day.
Come on.
Started with the vision and the chart.
Yeah, Nvidia's pushing now, guys. We got to be a little careful. Hopefully, Nvidia will fall at that shoulder. How crazy, though, man. I just needed to listen to myself. Then the dog distracted me. I literally go, if Nvidia hits that shoulder, we're hitting back at the 28,100s. Nvidia almost hit that shoulder, so we popped up. Come on, she just needs to fall. It's still showing a little bit too much strength right now for my liking. Yeah, shit. Damn it. Yep, 120. Fuck. Damn it. That's frustrating. Dang, 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 dang. Stupid Nvidia. Fuck me. Oh, and I just stinking said it too, and I didn't listen to myself. God damn it. Ugh. Well, that's frustrating. All-time high trading. Gotta love it. Boo! Boo, gang, boo! I didn't listen. I didn't listen to myself.
Yeah, man. Sink or swim, but we float
But we float together.
We no learn, either way we better. New York open every day.
Pull up.
Wake up early, charts on glow. Hit go live, yeah, the whole crew show. Some got wins, some taking a loss. Still crack jokes, we don't feel the cost. Nasdaq moving, candles go out, but we keep it cool, keep the mindset style. Ask a question, yeah, we break it down. No ego here, just a learning town. Ain't about flex, ain't about fame. We all came here to learn the game. Some days red, some days green, but the vibes stay golden in between. Win or learn, yeah, we still vibing. Live at the open every day we riding. Sink or swim, but we float as a team. Laugh through the losses, chase the dream. Win or learn, yeah, it's all the same. Every mistake just fuel for the flame. Even no profit, still we all win. Cause the knowledge stack up deep within. Somebody type, man, I blew that trade. Next man reply, yo, I did the same. Then we
Alright, NVIDIA.
learn real quick. Find the flaw in the
198.48, 198.49. On the 5 minute, I'm just waiting to see if it'll catch the halfway point for support. But insanely enough, we might still be pushing up today. I thought there was going to be a big old sell-off the way that things were starting to play out. And instead, we just blasted the heck up.
Order filled.
Chad, come here. Come here. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. Leave the workers alone. They're just trying to build a house.
Just show up, learn together, sink or swim, we float forever. Yeah, man. Big charts, same kind of game. Nasdaq Futures, step right up. Greg on the mic say, come on down, 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 down. Early morning, screen light glow. Future sticking which way it go. Contestant standing by the line, trying to read price like a dollar sign. He say higher, but he start to slip. Greg just smile with a short side. Spin that wheel, let the number fall. Sometimes down is the best call. Everybody cheer when it hit up high, but they don't see truth on the other side.
Order filled.
If you understand how the game goes.
Run a little bit of a range. Hopefully it doesn't pop on me, but I'm seeing if I can't just get a quick 10 points down here.
Order filled.
Break it down, keep it calm, precise. Don't chase the top, let it pay the price. Everybody love when you run real tall, but it's my trade to see both sides of the car. Up or down, it's a balance game. If you play it right, it's the same end game. Come on down, yeah, the price drop low. That's the kind of move that the pros all know. It's not always bad when the market goes down, especially.
Johnny, come the fuck on, man. Stop it. Alright, let me do this.
Some see red and they feel that fear. Others see chance when the path get clear. It's all perspective, how you read that chart. Up ain't the only way to play your part. Bid too high like a wrong showcase. Now you're stuck in the losing place. But if you wait and you time that drop, you can ride that wave straight to the top. Lesson learned in the price we see. Market moving like a game show spree. Every tick got a chance.
They've been freaking out at
If
the
you
door.
know when to switch your side. Come on down, let the price drop low. That's the kind of move that the pros all know. It's not always bad when the market goes down. Especially if you're short, you can still wear the crown. Come on down, let it fall real clean. Break down the chart, but the count stay green. From the open bell to the final round, we just wait for that. Come on down. Yeah, man. Spin the wheel. Read the chart. Play the game. But play it smart. Big up Bob Barker. And big up Greg. When the market drops, we don't beg. We just smile and say, come on down.
Come on down when the price is low.
Yeah, man.
Damn, still breaking highs.
Screens light up.
Nvidia's. My God, what were you doing during the break?
Two voices rise.
10 eggs. I didn't get any yesterday. Nvidia is still forming a bull flag, but it is selling off on that bull flag a little bit.
Order filled.
Is this finally going to be the crush?
Already in the morning glow. Candles dancing near BWF line.
Yeah. You gotta be careful with these stops right now, you know? But man, yeah, Nvidia.
Order filled. Order filled.
Hopefully this isn't a little fake out. Just like this, you know, this candle was a little fake out. This candle could be a little fake out too, just to put us right back in that range. So I'm getting kind of heavy for what this trade could be, but come on. Come on. Yeah. It's thinking about it. It's just not letting go.
Stop filled.
Down here, the hundreds. We gotta be a little careful with the hundreds. Yep.
Stop filled.
Back up to 184 at least. We're slowly getting back, gang. We're slowly getting it back as I'm slowly getting sick. Man, Nvidia's crushing though. As long as it doesn't trick us like it did earlier. Oh. Man, I'm getting so teased right now.
Order filled.
We gotta be careful though, because this is the 50. This is where it could pop itself right around. Oh my god. Sorry guys. Freaking dying over here. Come on. We grow again.
Stop filled.
Yeah, Nvidia's getting strength. I think this is gonna pop up. We'll see. We'll see.
Stop filled.
Alright, we gotta be. My god. Sorry. A little careful here. So that's our potential new support line. See if it comes down to the 70s, and then is it going to hold the 70s or is it going to crush on through? Nvidia did make a new low, so Nvidia's not really looking great. We're starting to look quite weak. Man, I love a reaction back up to the 120s, and then I'll try to do the short again. Though technically, we're making, you know, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high. So technically, we should be looking for another higher high. So let's be patient. Let's be patient on it and try not to short until like the 130s. My only reasoning for wanting to go short is purely because of Nvidia, but Nvidia keeps proving me right. Yeah, I was just gonna say that, man. I'm freezing. It's chilly in here.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Still just kind of trying to tease the shorts a little bit. I still like the shorts, especially looking at Nvidia. But I really wanted to get like that 120 rejection. Hey, Hydro. What's up, big dog? Man, I keep teasing the shorts, actually. Keep teasing the shorts instead. We're up 188 on the day. I was up 300. I shorted one mini. I shorted a mini right here, and that made us 300. And then we lost 100 trying to short again. But I almost kind of agree with you. I just said it to, everybody else as well. Higher, low, higher, low, higher, low, higher, high, higher, high. So technically right now, as long as we don't break 86, we should hit another higher high, right? But what I hate is Nvidia. Nvidia is looking so stinking weak right now. I keep wanting to short instead. If you hadn't have just came in and said long it with the mini, I would have started shorting it. I was going to short it at the 120s. Is it funded or brokered? This is just eval. Apex eval. 50,803, sir. We've been trading it since Friday. Damn it, man. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia is just selling off so hard. We should be in the shorts right now, Hydro. I hope I pass it too, Kaka. Thank you, sir. Yeah, the short would have worked. But now watch. Now it's going to rip. Now watch it rips instead. ES is finally starting to form a bear flag. We're just looking real weak, just barely sitting at the top of our orb. I think we're coming down still. This is kind of a FOMO short at this point. I should have went short at, 114s. And we're kind of at our support line, so we really need to crush that support line and drop down to like the 50s here. Strong bullish, don't short now, says Kaka. I know, man. And that's honestly something that we've gotten a hell of a lot better at doing. But obviously we still do it, where if I kind of have a trade in my mind and then that trade starts playing out, it's the dumbest thing to then try to trace the trade, or try to chase the trade. Now I'm trying to chase the trade, which I shouldn't be doing. The trade already played out. But then I look at Nvidia. Nvidia's teasing me, and I'm like, well, shoot, man, I missed it out here. I don't want to miss it out here, so I'm going to try it again. You're 100% right, man. It wasn't a smart trade to enter. There we go. We're just gonna put as many lines on here as we can so we can confuse the shit out of the market makers. And then it'll the trade will work out in the correct direction. I mean, I don't hate it still. There we go. We just have to be a little bit careful now that that's not a trap.
Order filled.
Damn, crazy spike down to the 70s. 50,792. Yeah, that was a crazy spike down. What time is it? 10. Oh, okay. So 10:50, kind of our London. Not that London closes at 10:50, obviously, but 10:50, 10:55 always seems to be so volatile, and then obviously 11:20 to 11:30. But I don't know why. Why would 10:50 be so volatile? Like 40 minutes before market close. We don't get volatile 40 minutes before market close. I guess 30 minutes before, because of the Robin Hooders.
Order filled.
Man, just really slowing down. Average candle size is 15 now, which I hate. Tapping the 50. That might have been a good chance to get out, unfortunately. Let's see if she's still building strength or not.
Stop filled.
Snuck a stop in quick.
Stop filled.
Yep. Hey, Hydro, calling the trap. Traposaurus Rex. But didn't really trade it correctly. We're still working on that, gang. We're still working on trading what we're calling out. But yeah, I mean, look at Nvidia, guys. Nvidia is still just pushing down. So if Nvidia wants to push through this, if it breaks, if Nvidia ends up losing 197, we're gonna have our next leg down. Now we do have a lot of big targets too. If you look at the 1 hour, we have a 1 hour candle that doesn't have a wick on it at all. That would bring us down to 27,704. So I gotta imagine in the next couple days we're coming down. We're gonna come down fast. Even look at the 5 minute, like right here, 27,974 doesn't have a wick on it. This 5 minute candle, so that's gonna be a magnet eventually as well. Now, of course, as we're saying that, the one that just formed also doesn't have one. So you think we're gonna have to come up, hit the 9, 28,104, and then maybe we'll sell off the cliff. 27,777 is what Hydro is saying. 27,777. What a godly number that is. But yeah, when you look at and again, I hate that it screws up my music. This candle right here, that's a big old fat magnet. Especially because that was basically our breakaway candle, right? We broke away and then we kept going up. That's crazy that Asian lows were 817. That would have had us so close. We just rocket shipped today. So it might be too much to expect for today. That would be a big drop for today. That might be like a tomorrow drop. Or in the middle of the night drop when nobody can really grab it. So yeah, 28,100. We need to see what it does there. But if this drops down to like the 12s or the 10s, and look at that, as soon as I said it, it just went to 13.9, 14.2. Really, anything below the 15s, I start getting kind of bad at trading. Once it gets down to the 10s, it just slows down to nothing. Once it gets to the 6s, we start blowing up accounts. Because it just goes so slow. Here we go. Put that candle. Put that upper wick. It needs to break 100. Well, I did. 28,100. 28,100. There we go. Now it has a wick. All right. Let's try her. I'm only going to do one, though, because this is either going to rocket ship up to the 150s or this is going to be the start of a really nice sell-off. How long have I been trading? Only, I don't know, like 9 months or something like that. If you guys know Patrick Wieland, so obviously the king. Patrick Wieland, the king of trading and the king of YouTube in the trading world, kind of. He was the one that started me out with it. So last, I don't know, August or September, he ended up reaching out to me. Not reaching out to me, sorry. He did a post. I literally just started following him a week before. But he did a post that he lives in Florida, and that if anybody wanted to come to the BDH and trade live with him and be mentored by him, to send him an email. So I sent the guy an email, and he actually selected me. So I went down to the BDH to South Florida for 2 weeks, and I traded with this madman, knowing absolutely nothing. Knowing I had no idea what I was doing or anything else. I just friggin' jumped in. Who is that again? Man, do you not know of him? So Patrick Wieland. Type him in, man. Patrick. Patrick Wieland. Wieland. He has 1.2 million followers. And he's just a phenomenal entertainer. He's a really, really good trader as well. Don't get me wrong, but you just have to be careful with you have to be a little bit careful with. Hey, Trading Cowboy, you down to come to the tack room tomorrow? Shoo! Man, actually, tomorrow I can't, bud. Tomorrow's install day. Install day. But yeah, so check out Patrick Wieland. You have to be a little bit careful copying his trades, though, because he is a madman. You know, you'll see him make 40, 50, 60,000 in one trade sometimes. But if you don't have the drawdown that he has, you'll blow up accounts left and right. And that's one thing I found trading with him live as well. One day I purely copied all of his trades. He did 6 trades live. I copied every single one, and I lost like $1,000 that day. Oh yeah, Nvidia's still selling off. Man, I think we got to go down. I'm going to add to this just a little bit. Damn it, we're down to the 13s though. I hate that. But yeah, Kaka, you got to check him out, man. He races trophy trucks right now in Mexico and California, and the dude's life is just everybody's dream. You know, hashtag live like Patrick. So yeah, he kind of taught me the ropes. He didn't know that I was as green as I was, admittedly. And then I've been kind of doing this ever since, man. I probably like 2-3 months after I came home from Patrick, I was still just blowing shit up left and right, if I'm being honest, and I was still making like 100 trades a day. So now we've finally seen the progression, and you know, where I would say relatively, I don't know, kind of decent-ish trader for it being under a year, but we're slowly getting better. We made 800 on Monday, then lost 200 yesterday, and now we're up 170 today. So slowly getting there, gang, slowly getting there. But you're getting to see the progression. Let's see what it does here at the 110s. Nvidia getting a little bit of strength after all that selling off. But yeah, again, this is what I hate. When we get down to 13, 12s, it's just too slow. I'm going to drop some stops in here. Ah, shit. It only got one of them. I mean, we're just kind of perfectly wedging. 11 o'clock. That hour snuck by. That hour snuck right on by. Jeez, and I just got to chatting too. Do we have anything for our 1050 candle? Not really. If we can finally break the 80s here, that would be nice. Though I guess same thing, because that wick... I was going to say I should probably drop a stop in and get stopped out right there. We'll just see if it pushes the 114s. If it pushes 114, we'll probably add in one and then get out. Still looking weak. Nvidia's still looking weak. The EMA, the 9 EMA on the 1 hour is all the way down here at 27,998. Huh. We're basically literally right smack dab in the middle of this little consolidation range. So we don't really have the best entry at the moment. Ugh. $11.03. EMA is just hugging and kissing. 9 and 21, just attached to each other like a couple snakes. All right, let's see.
Order filled. Order filled.
We added some on that spike. We'll get out of the 2 add-ons though. Usually a lot earlier, once it gets past the blue line, just to help the average out. In case we're completely wrong. There's the 114s. Yeah, I don't love this one. Because this could go against you really quick, you know. If this is the push to 150, then ugh, there goes the day. $120. See if we can't get out of a couple of these once it gets past the blue line. Come on, baby. It's 11:05 right now, so this is our new 5-minute candle. Ah, shit. Yeah, this might be where it finally starts to go up. Ah, shoot, guys. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can get out of her. Dang. Come on. Back to flat on the day.
Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Damn. Yeah, there goes the day. That stinks. Huh.
Stop filled. Order rejected. Stop filled.
Man, what a stinking day. Up and down and 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 up and down. Back to green. Ugh.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
When is the short gonna work out?
Stop filled.
Man.
Early morning, screens light up. Sink or swim, go live. Chat fill up. Two voices rise from the scroll
Order
below.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Get up, everyone's first one in the room. Charts already in the morning gloom.
Come on, let this be the pot.
Felt that rhythm, said today is mine. Type tick quick, so the whole chat knew. Said he caught that break, rode the move clean through. But another
Come on.
from the shadows replied, said
Order
slow
filled.
down, man, I was on
Oops.
Stop fill. Stop fill.
Come on, this has got to be it. This has got to be the pop. Come on.
Order fill.
Hey, Charles. Good morning, good sir.
Order rejected.
Man, it's been a finicky day today. We were up 300, then we were up 200, then we were up $7. Now we're up $66. So admittedly, it was going okay. Now it's not going great. But we'll see. Maybe this will be the pop right here.
Order fill.
There we go.
Ladies and gentlemen! Ladies and gentlemen!
Oh, why is it not playing for me? Hold on, gang. Hold on. Ugh. No way it hit one. Fuck me. Here I'm messing with the stinking music again. No way to hit 139 and just stop right there.
Stop fill. Order rejected.
You can't win.
Stop fill.
Can't friggin' win. Then why is my pump song not working?
Yeah, man. Big respect to Bob Barker. Legend of the stage. Now we step up to the charts.
Dang, I tried to play my other pump song. It's not working right now. Damn, yeah, literally just kissed 140 perfectly. Man. Super random. I just got like, you ever get like just hit with a wave of happiness once in a while? What a stupid, weird way to say that, but just like a wave of happiness. You know, sometimes you just get hit with that wave of happiness. And it's such a good thing. You know, that was just a quick little revelation that just hit me on the spot there. That life is friggin' amazing. We don't have the Live Like Patrick amazing yet, but man, it's pretty damn good lately. And I forget about it sometimes. Alright, so what are you doing, NVIDIA? NVIDIA teased us with the long, and then it sold all the way back down to the bottom of its range, 197.13s. Which is why we had this little spike down to our 21. Hey, Danielle. Good morning. How we doing today? It's good to see you. Good to see you. Good to stinking see ya. Maybe you entered right when we're finally about to hit that magical 150 finally. We'll see. If it drops below this 21, though, we got to get out. NVIDIA is basically at the point where it needs to make up its mind. If NVIDIA loses 197, it's at 197.08, then I think we're finally going to have the sell-off we've been kind of expecting and waiting for. This is almost our double top, right? M pattern double top. Rough morning, down 240. No. It's been a rough morning as well. We are up 74 at the moment, but admittedly, we were up 300, then we were up 200, and then we were down like $11, you know. Then we were up $60, then we were up $80. Now we're up friggin' $72. So it's been all-time high trading is just so stinking hard, and NVIDIA is losing that support. NVIDIA is down to 196.96, so we do have to be careful on this this long now, guys. I'd be a lot happier if I was in a short than a long. Oh, that's such a hard one. I want to put my stop in at 117, but this is such a terrible stop point. You know, this is almost like guaranteed to get stopped out. I can either get stopped out and go up, but what I don't want to have happen is like a 50-point candle that just darts me, you know? Up and down. Yeah, Danielle. Literally, just up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. Holy shit. What time is it? 11:21. We are forming a bull flag, though, admittedly. So let's see if we can't squeeze out a couple quick ones. Well, both are in. Can't even friggin' talk today, guys. See, that's the kind of day we're having, Danielle. Just these tiny little things now. Teeny, tiny little guys. Though, admittedly, now that NVIDIA is starting to push and turn green, maybe that gives us the catapult to push us above this range. Ugh, I'm just so bear biased. That's my problem right now, too. I'm so bear biased. Even though we've formed nothing but... Look at this. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high. We're about to do a higher high, you know? We have to. But I'm just so bear biased that I can't hold my friggin' long. Because that's what all-time trading does to you. All-time high trading. It makes you too nervous. I mean, it's the same thing. I would love to be a lot heavier right now, but I'm just so nervous to go heavy. Oh, and then look at our average candle size. Our average candle size has dwindled down to 10. So that in itself just tells me, stop trading, Greg. Yeah, nice big old dump would be nice. I agree, man. I've just been waiting for it and waiting for it and waiting for it. I just want some type of a, signal that we're falling off. And that's where I made the 300. We went 10 deep. I went basically a mini deep, got the 300 here. And then because it broke all of its support, it seemed like it should have kept going down. And instead it, changed its mind on me. So that's where we kind of lost that 100, then tried again, lost another 100. So now I've finally switched to just trying to do longs, but I don't have confidence in the longs because of everything we just said. Because I think I want it to go down, not up. And I can't believe this little tease. Which is, that's, again, proverbial double top, right? Yeah. I think I want to get out of this trade. I definitely want to get out of this trade. Let's see if we can't get it. Just a quick last little pop up to like a break even so we can get out of it. And then we just got to sit back and wait and see what happens. See what kind of setup we end up getting. Damn.
Order filled.
Come on. Oh, what time is it? 11:26. Oh, I don't want to be in this long anymore.
Order filled. Order filled.
See, there you go, Danielle. Lost money just to friggin' get a little bit back again. We were just at 87. Now we're at 83. What the fuck? Sorry for my... Whew. But what a day. What a frustrating day. Ugh. Ugh. And then again, like, just not having any confidence in these longs. There's 20 points right there from where we were, basically. But it's just been such a chop zone, man. What a friggin' chop zone. Yeah. Crazy, crazy, crazy. The EMA and the 5 minute is down here at 116. We still haven't tapped that in a little bit. Yeah, just boring zone right now, gang. Just a boring zone. We got to either wait until it comes back down. Hey, good news. Good morning, good sir. How we all doing today? I'm out here to drop my greetings. We thoroughly appreciate you, sir. Helping out that algorithm as a good buddy should. We're doing okay. We're having a frustrating day today, bud. We were up 300. We had a beautiful trade, and then it's just been kind of a touch and go. Up a little bit, down a little bit, up a little bit, down a little bit, up a little bit, down a little bit. And now look at this. Average candle size is 10. So it's going to be one of those things that you're kind of held hostage in the trade for the longest stinking time, and then you're going to get that, 2 or 3 candles of spikes in one direction, either to save you or to hold you, to kill you. So it's always hard when it's like that. Nvidia is losing its support right now, though. Nvidia just made a new low on the day. Ooh. Dang, maybe. If we get back up to 132s, I don't know.
Legend of the stage. Now we step up to the charts. Same kind of game. Nasdaq Futures. Step right up.
When you see that heart button, it's me spamming. Enter 2MQ, leave it for 2 hours, thank me later. For a long or for a short? Which direction, sir? 11:30 right now. Short. He says to go short. Yeah, man, I agree. Ugh. Especially if we do get a spike up to the 150s. But look, I'm getting all excited about the short, and now that it's finally starting to pop up. Hold it with no panic, he says. I hear he is. I mean, even right now, if Nvidia can keep going down, its next support is 196.13. So if it can go down to 196.13, that's gonna push us down. Right now they're pushing down pretty good. ES is pushing down. We're starting to push down. Bollinger Band overextended on the 1 hour time frame. Talking dirty to me, bud. VIX is starting to have a nice little spike. Dude, you gotta imagine there's gonna be a good pullback, right? Oh, you gotta imagine. It's just been hard because, it's been just nonstop going up literally the entire day. For 2 hours, the entire session just going up, 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 up. $28.50, he's saying. Damn, that's a big target. $28.50. 30 seconds left of this candle. Man, if she could just start pushing right now, that'd be great. Down to the 100s at the very least. There we go. There we go. Good news. I like it so far. I like it so far, sir.
Early morning, screens light up. Sink or swim, go live. Chat fill up.
Yeah, dude. Beautiful call out, sir. Beautiful call out. Though you're telling me to hold, I don't know, man. I might let myself get stopped out of at least one more, and then. And then we'll re-enter again at 130s. Because we might still just be in a little choppity chop range. We'll see. ES is breaking, though. That's a good sign. ES is breaking pretty good. Alright, we'll hold this one. We'll hold it indefinitely. But we'll add more, hopefully, at the 130s. Now we're 120 on the day. Man, again, what a friggin' ping pong. Just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. We'll take this guy off. We'll have our target down here at the 50s. Way too overextended, he's saying. Alright, we'll add another one right here. But still, even with us being, sometimes when we're overextended like that, you'll see one big ol', trap candle. Maybe kind of like this. You'd almost want it to push to the 150s, really. If we could get a quick hit to the 150s, I think that would be a very good one. What about, and I gotta, again, it's silly that I'm asking you. I should be more up to date on this. But what other earnings do we have this week? Obviously, we had a lot of big tech earnings last week. Is there any big names this week? Dang, stinking push, man. We need some balance. I know it, right? I agree, Danielle. I mean, at the very least, you would think that this is starting to be a safer short. Maybe it pops to the 150s, but hopefully, I don't know. At 165, we have a pivot point, 28,165. Though again, that's based on mathematical algorithm at that point. That's not based on anything that we've hit previously. Oh, Pfizer is today. Yipes, dude. Man, I haven't looked at Pfizer in so long. That was such a crazy COVID meme stock, right? Not even meme stock, because obviously they had strong value to them as well, but it was like meme stock craze. Wow. We grow again. Nvidia reclaimed 197, 197.12 now. Damn, AMD has a $574 billion market cap now. Oh, there's that 150 spike. Holy shit. That was it. And what a crazy wick. So as long as there's no continuation, we should be coming down pretty good now. Oh, I hope there's not continuation after that. Come on. Here's a brand new candle right here. Hopefully it keeps pushing at least down to 127. We'll get out of a couple of these just in case. With a little bit of volatility here. Damn, so stinking close here. Oh, so close. What are we at? We got 5 seconds left for our new 5-minute candle. Hopefully we just keep pushing down. Today 276 earning and tomorrow 446, Thursday 591. Jesus, man. Yeah, and I was pissed, man, because I lost a lot of money on AMD back in the day. I was buying it at like maybe 140s, wrote it down to like the 110s, and then started, scalping it back in like the 90s and stuff, in the hundreds, and then I just got out. I was like, I'm done with this. And then so pissed to see it race up to like the 300s basically just 2 months later or something like that. I was like, come the hell on. And I was dealing in heavy positions at the time too. Fuck me, man. Just break the 9 already. Just teasing me with it.
Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
Yeah, shit.
Stop filled.
Damn, finicky day today. Such a finicky day. I mean, that's a pretty good short position, actually. Nope. Man, finicky day. Crazy stinking day. Yeah, this market's so slow now. 9.6, come on. It's just too boring. There's almost no reason to trade anymore. I guess we'll just give it a couple more minutes and see what happens. Kind of disappointed on the day. $127's been kind of a strong support for us. So we shall see. We are forming a nice bear flag on ES, nice bear flag on Nvidia, nice bull flag on VIX. So all the signs are again showing that we should be going down, but we've done nothing but make lower high, lower high, lower high, higher low, higher low, higher low. I said that completely wrong. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher high. Right? So there's no reason to target shorts, really. My puppy. Just a good boy. Man, you guys aren't seeing it, but my dog just always sleeps right behind me. That's why I have this giant egg chair. So puppered up can sleep with me. Look at that. There he is. He's always right behind me. Taking a nice little nap. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Alright, what else can we distract ourselves with right now? I mean, it really is crazy to watch. Just seeing it go up and go up and go up and then go up a little bit more. And then you think it's about to come down and then decides, nope, we're going to still go up. Anything happened yet? Nothing. Nothing happened. No. About to sign off of this pretty soon, though. You what? The fuck? You rewrite for me? $11.50 candles coming in just 50 seconds here. Then we have a brand new 1 hour. So we'll give it just a couple more teeny tiny little minutes. Form another teeny tiny little bull flag here. Here's a brand new 5-minute candle. 141. Yeah. I was gonna say this 5-minute candle doesn't have a bottom wick, but it's only one friggin' point because we've shortened down to nothing now. So this is very silly because literally I'm only targeting a couple tight points here. There's just a tiny little gap that should bring us back down to the 140. So we're literally targeting like 4 points on these guys. Risk versus reward is terrible right now, if I'm being honest. Oh God, let's try to get out of it. There we go. Let's see. Stopped out on all of them. Yeah, we spend more money in fees than what we actually made. Man, that's what I said. Once it gets down to this, once you get down to 8 as your average candle size, it's just too hard to trade. There's no reason to trade because the moves are just too small. And what happens is what I just did is you end up oversizing at the wrong time, and then all of a sudden you'll get a big old candle that goes against you. One of the people checking in. Yeah, I mean, guys, look at this. This is like after hours trading now. Look at the volume. Volume, 7.7 for average candle size. I think that's it. I'll give it to 11:55. We'll do 1.5 more minutes, gang. We'll see. Nvidia is kind of pushing right now, but just stinking barely. Oh, really? Poor little guys. Poor little fellas. Well, here we go. This will be my last trade of the day. Just because the 21 has been providing such great support lately.
Order filled.
Here's a new 5-minute candle. Ooh, big sell-off so far.
Order filled. Order filled.
No way, man. Now I'm stuck in this friggin' long. Come on. 15 seconds left. Coming down to the 50 now. No way.
Order filled.
Damn.
Sun's coming up, screens glowing gold. Another day in the life, stories get told. From the shoreline to the order flow.
Oh, so close.
Where the hot trays go.
Order filled.
Wake up early with the tide rolling in. Coffee in my hand, let the session begin.
Shoot.
Charts on the screen, candle start to dance. Nasdaq Futures giving me
Yeah, it's not looking great.
like a line in the sand. Price pulled back, now I'm making a stand. Volume building, yeah, I feel that heat. Momentum rising like a drum line beat. Palm trees swaying, but my mind stays sharp. Riding every wave like I'm playing my part. Support below and resistance high.
Of course. Fuck me. 120. Fuck.
Like a clean set rolling in from the sea. Patience pays when you wait just right.
Order filled.
Strike like lightning.
Order filled.
I'm riding the tape,
Order filled.
riding the wave. Nasdaq flow, yeah, I'm feeling so brave.
111.
To the charts, I'm alive. Buy low, sell high. Just to surf and survive.
Order filled.
Let it roll, let it breathe. Feel the rhythm of the market in the sea. Yeah, we glide, never fight the tide. Just a trader on the wave. Let it ride, opening and building the volatility hits quick. Little scalp, yeah, I'm stacking my chips.
Ah, damn it. That's so frustrating. Especially again when just candle size gets so friggin' low. It takes so long to make money back when it's goes against you like this. Uh-oh, my trade evade stalled. Oh no, the internet stalled. There we go. Here's our new 1 hour coming in just 20 seconds here. Seven seconds. We need it to push. Come on. Right here. Man, got out of those quick. But it's we survived. We're still green, gang. We were down 300 for a sec. Oh, what a dumb day. What a just absolute dumb day. I mean, Nvidia's pushing really well. Ugh. I don't want to be in the same position I was just in, but Nvidia's pushing really well. $98. Come on, 20 seconds left of this 5-minute candle. There we go. Come on. Just keep doing it this time. My God.
Order filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Stop filled.
All right, gang. That's enough for me. We're back to $84 on the day. What a silly stinking day. We were up 300. Then we were up 200. Then we were down 11 bucks. Then we were up 80 bucks. Then we were down 300 bucks. Then we were up 50 bucks. Now we're up 84 bucks. I think it's time to call it. Average candle size is only 8. So it's just going to take way too stinking long to make money. And it's just a little bit too wiki. We've been in this range ever since 11 o'clock. So the last hour, we've been in a 20-point range. That's just how you get your counts all chopped the hell up. Though admittedly, this does look very nice for a short right now. 133. Ugh, don't do it, Greg. What did you make? Oh. Nice. No, don't do it, Greg. Oh God, I just clicked that and then brought it away to get it off of it. Good God, if I was to do anything right now, it'd be a short, and my short would be targeting the 133s, just to put a bottom wick on the bottom of this candle here. Yeah, you would have gotten it. Yeah, I would have gotten it. Shoot. Yeah, too wiki though. Look at that. And then it instantly goes right back up again. Yeah, we're done. We're done. Gang, I thoroughly appreciate you guys for hanging out with me today. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. We always appreciate the support. We're trying our best here to grow something. Slowly growing a community, growing a fun little place for people to hang out and trade and learn a little bit together. It's a nice little collective here, gang. So love you all to death. Please stay green today. We'll be back right at it at, well, probably 9:20 tomorrow, but I'll have a much quicker day. Tomorrow's install day with my woodworking company, so I'll probably only have like 30 minutes to trade tomorrow. It'll be a little bit of a quick, intense one. Love y'all to death, though. We'll see you again soon.